It's time to bust out the scissors. Hey guys, it's Jess from She's the Posh. Welcome back. And today we have an unboxing for you. I make videos anytime I want, so please remember to hit subscribe below and ring that bell so we can become best friends here on the internet. Okay guys, I have a fun unboxing for you. Since I did my handbag video, thank you so much for all the positivity with it. I really worked hard on it and lost my voice, and there was a time when it stopped recording and I had to re-record it. It was a big thing. So I really appreciate you guys watching it and giving me the little spooky ghost to say that you watched it till the end. That was just really cool to see that people actually watched the whole thing through. And as you saw in the video, there were some bags that I was thinking about selling, and I have since sold some of them. So I'm gonna do a separate video, hopefully next week, about why I sold those bags. And I have an unboxing with you because the year of 2023, anytime I get a new bag, it is going to be because I sold some items to fund it. I don't really want to spend any of my own money to purchase items anymore because, as you saw from the video, I have over 50 bags. So I got some cash in my closet. So this is actually a Fashionphile unboxing, which really surprised me because I haven't really been buying from them at all. However, they had done a sale where they were doing an extra, I believe, 10% off of all sale items. I saw it because Tiffany from LV Coffee Lover, she had shared that sale. So this was a bag I was thinking about getting. However, I'm doing my thing where I sell stuff to fund it. So I decided to put it on their layaway so I wouldn't miss out on the sale item. And then once I sold those pieces, I had the cash to completely pay it off with the items I sold. I paid the rest off. So let's get to it. This is a bag I've been thinking about getting. Here it is right here. The Fashionphile. Ooh, and the Fashionphile file. It's been a while, so everything still looks the same. I am a little nervous because I know some people, like, I had problems, which is why I haven't bought from them. Like, things weren't described properly. So let's open it up and see. Okay, this is in the Fashionphile dust bag. I think it has its own dust bag, but I can't remember. And I did get this technically under retail because of the sale and everything that was going on. I got myself the Louis Vuitton loop bag. So I forget what size this is, but I have just been drawn to it from the shape. I love the fact that it is a shoulder bag, but you could also wear it crossbody. It just seems so cool. So let's look at this. Now I am noticing something off the bat about this bag. It might be just because it was in storage, but there is a little bit of, like, is this normal? Let me know. Like, there's a little bit of this going on here. Let's zip it up, and it doesn't have a dust bag with it, so it must not come with it. Let me put that, okay, so it's looking, okay, there's just a little bit, now that I zipped it up, it's not as bad, but it looks like there's a little bit of folding to the loop bag right there. I mean, it's not a big deal, and it's throughout, so maybe that's the look of it, but I don't know how I feel about that bag, because this bag, even though I sold items, this bag is still an over $2,000 bag. And it does have, I believe, the treated leather with it. Okay, let's just keep looking at it. I'm not gonna freak out yet. So these straps here adjust. I believe they snap and they can adjust. Open it up, see what the inside looks like. So you have no pockets or zippers, but it's this like fun microwave lining. And you have this nice zipper up here. Let's see what this zipper does. That's nice. I don't think it's big enough to fit a phone or anything, but you could definitely fit like a credit card or something right here that I need, or a room key, because I'm planning on this being like a nice fun travel bag. I also was planning on removing these straps and adding my utility pouch to it sometimes just to give it a whole new look. Let's see if I can figure out how to adjust these straps. So there's a snap. I feel like saying bend and snap. I don't know why that's in my head. So you have some bend and snaps right here. Oh, that's cool. You like it? So this like adjusts. So that's cool. So you have these snaps here, so you can make it larger, and then you just, wait, is this snapping? It's snapping. Okay, so if you make it larger like this, they don't snap into each other, but it looks like the snap is here. So I don't know if they're going to because that doesn't seem like crossbody length yet. But let's just play around with it, try her on. The only thing is, like, I'm just, it sucks because, like, sending this bag back, if I send this bag back, I will lose the money on it. And I just feel like there's something weird. I feel like there's something weird with the zipper right here. You see how it's like, I feel like it wasn't made right. So let me know if you have this bag. I know Sam does, so I'll reach out to her about it. Because it also could just be from storage. And then once I wear this, it'll look nicer. And it might just be like the design of the bag, because it's the loop bag. But this looks like either there was too much fabric or something was sewed improperly here. So I'm gonna try it because it was stored with the strap inside, no stuffing. So that might have warped the bag. I would have taken them off, rolled them up and stuck them in the bag. I wouldn't have had them sticking out. So I really hope that that comes out because it is a little annoying, this little bump here. And that's because I'm so picky. These bags are super expensive. I'm gonna be picky about certain things like that. So let's try it on. We have since put it on the larger snap setting. So this actually looks really good as like a shoulder bag. Like, I love the design of this bag. It's super cool. And then we do crossbody feeling it. And I love that it has this little chain with it. But I really think I'm gonna end up wearing this bag more crossbody. I am starting to get more into smaller bags. Now let's try it as a shoulder bag. So you can take this off. Like, why didn't they store it inside the bag? Because they had it sticking out. Come on, Fashionphile. Okay, but this is it as a shoulder bag. Oh, that's so stinking cute. I do, I love this bag. Well, it's already starting to look a little bit better. Actually, maybe that's all in my head. Yeah, it's all in my head. Because this is the part that's messed up right here. I really think that it got this bump. So it has a little bit of bumping right here, which I think is just part of the design. I don't think it's a flaw. But right here, you see this little indent bump. It's because when you saw when I pulled the thing out, they had these attached and this was like being pulled out because of this being attached to it. Roll this up. This is how I store my bags. I take all of the stuff out and I stick it inside the bag. So here's the inside of the bag here. As you can see, is this one made in France? Oh, it's made in France, guys. We got the made in France flex with this one. And you put it, see, I usually just store my bags. I would take this off too. But the zipper is good, but you see, this is the part right here, which is sticking up, which is totally annoying. So I'm hoping that goes away. And what I think I'll do is I don't think I'm gonna end up sending this back because I did get it under retail. What I'll probably do is just wear it, enjoy it. If for some reason it's bothering me, then I can just do the trade-in and then maybe just purchase one new if I feel like that's a problem, if it doesn't come out. Because as I'm closing it and stuff, it is already starting to come down a little bit as it's being like not pulled in the wrong direction. So it has come down a little bit as I'm wearing it. But this goes to show Fashionphile needs to get their shit together. Okay guys, what do you think of this beauty right here? Do you think that I should be returning it? I would lose, I think it's like, how much do you lose? Like, I would lose a couple $100 on it if I returned it because I did the layaway. But the only reason I did the layaway is so I could sell some stuff, so I could just pay cash for it. I'm gonna look back at the pictures and I will post them here for you to see if that warping was noticeable. Also, I don't know sometimes if, I saw this for the real that they use stock photos and other photos, like they'll use stock photos from like Louis Vuitton and stuff like that for their pieces. It's not the actual piece, where Fashionphile does the actual piece. So sometimes like I'll go back and I'll examine the pictures and be like, hey, was this wear there or did this wear happen in storage? And I have a video that I'll put up here where it was a Chanel fail video where I had it and there was just so much wear on it. And it was the same thing where they had the straps to the bag attached to it and then they had them like laying on the bag, and what ended up happening is they ended up getting a stain from the metal laying on a light colored bag. It just seems like, you know, and in the original pictures that was not there, so I did tell them about it and I returned it. However, they posted it right back again with the same picture without the added wear to it. So that's another reason why I've been staying away from Fashionphile. I just don't trust them. And what do you guys think I should do? Should I return it? Should I try to fight it? What would you do? I did get it, I think, for just right around $2,000. I think this retails now for over $3,000 or close to $3,000. So this is probably one of the first ones that came out. Maybe there were a little flaws to it. And normally this wouldn't bother me at all. It's just this one part right here, which you can see it's already starting to come down. So maybe, most likely it'll come down. Like these bumps and stuff, I think are literally from how the bag was stored. So since it is a canvas bag, I think I will be able to like stuff it and get that to smooth out. But what would you do? Please put it in the comments down below. And are you having problems with Fashionphile, like messing up bags based how they're stored? Like, why are they giving me a bag with all of this already attached to it? And I had one where the tag was like, it was kind of like attached like here, so you couldn't take it off. But these ones can easily be taken off like this and just store them inside the bag. So annoying. See, this comes right off. You just stick it and store it inside the bag like that. But before we go, I think I want to just try it with the utility pouch strap. So wait a second. Let's try it. Look at me. Let's throw a little bit more shade. Look at me grabbing my utility pouch. Guess where the strap is? It's inside the bag. Amazing. Seriously. It's like you're a multi-million-dollar company. Like, let's get it together. See how this looks. I feel like this is gonna be a look. Here it is, guys. Oh yeah. This is a look. I like this better than the other strap. Have this that I could just easily, I like to put my AirPods right in here. This looks good. I like this a lot. And I will have like most likely I will attach it still with the metal because I like having that hanging down. It's like right here. Okay, yes, we like this. Okay guys, that is everything. Please share with me if you get any of your purchases from Fashionphile and they just been throwing that shit in the bag. The straps just this was unzipped with the straps just like sticking out of it, causing this to be folded. What are they doing? Are they don't care anymore at Fashionphile? This did come really quick. Like as soon as I paid it off, I really thought I wasn't gonna get this till next week and it came really fast. Yeah, I feel like I need to give them a class on how to treat expensive bags. All right guys, thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you again. Bye guys.